Welcome to a Fletcher Free Library original program. Hey friends, it's Megan from Stories with Megan. Today we are going to read one of my favorite storytime books because it is so silly. This book is written and illustrated by Jan Thomas, and it is called What Will Fat Cat Sit On? This book is published by Harcourt, and we are recording this with their permission. What do you see on the end papers? What will Fat Cat sit on? The dedication says, "For Sam." Will Fat Cat sit on the cow? Moo? No, Fat Cat will not sit on the cow. Yee-haw! Will Fat Cat sit on the chicken? Cluck. Sit on the pig! Sit on the pig! Wink. No! Fat Cat will not sit on the chicken or the pig. Yippee! Will Fat Cat sit on the dog? No, Fat Cat will not sit on the dog. How does Fat Cat feel? Okay, so Fat Cat will not sit on the cow, or the chicken, or the pig, or the dog. Then, what will Fat Cat sit on? Beep. Perhaps he could sit on the chair? The chair! Of course! Now, what will Fat Cat have for lunch? Lunch! The end. Thanks for listening, friends. Have a great day.